a lot of people feel they will come online and just start making money the first day they come online. No, you have to put in the hard work, and with what I'll be showing us today, you are going to be able to do that. If you put in the hard work, you are going to be able to make $1,000 plus every month. Drop servicing, like not drop shipping, drop servicing, like actually getting a job and subletting it to somebody else and getting a huge profit. So in this video, I'm going to be covering how we are going to be able to get these jobs and where we are going to be able to offer this service to people to help us to do and collect our profit. So this video is fully packed, so kindly stay tuned to the end of the video so you learn everything that you need to learn from the video. My name still remains Sylvester Izuyon, and on this channel, what I teach us money making tips and tricks, and also I teach us web design tips and tricks also. So with that being said, can you follow me to my laptop where I'm going to show us how we are going to do this. And before we go to my laptop, if you know you are joining us for the first time, I have a course I'm actually bringing out right now, and this course is going to show us how to make money online as a freelancer, and the course is fully packed. I'm going to take some training in that particular course, so if you are going to be part of that course, kindly register now before the course is launched. So if you register now, you're going to be getting 80% discount when the course is out. So kindly register now. The link for registration is below the description of this particular video. So, and if you know you are joining us for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification button to get it so you get notified anytime I release a new video. So let's go down to the video right now.
Making $1,000 a month is very, very easy doing drop servicing, and that is what a lot of persons don't know. During the servicing business, any amount for it that you wish to make is attainable once you can think about it. So that's why today I'm going to be putting us through how to make that $1,000 plus in doing drop servicing. So I'm going to do a walkthrough with my laptop right now. The first thing we need to know as a job servicing, we need to know the niche we are going to. Like, okay, if I'm going to job servicing, what kind of niche am I going to in job servicing? This is what a lot of persons don't figure out first of all. So the first thing I'll figure out the person is my niche, and there are various niche in which you can come into. Like, you can go into during job servicing, you can go into logo designing, you can go into website designing, you can go into book publishing, you can go into book editing, you can go into book formatting. So there are a lot of a variety of places you can dive into, a variety of niche you can dive into when it comes to job servicing. So the first I will be talking about, and which I will be using as illustration here, is logo design. So it's more recreative. Using a logo design is more recreative doing job servicing. So how does job servicing work? First of all, in order for you not to be lost in the way job servicing work, first thing what you do as a job servicing, what you do is, when doing job servicing, you first of all, you are going to look for a market you are interested in, and that is how the workflow comes. Looking for a market you are interested in, looking for how to promote this market to people, and when you get orders or get people wanting to use a particular service you are promoting to them, then there's a place you hire people to do this job for you at a very low price and get higher commission. That is how job servicing work, and it's a gold mine if you can really do the promotion well and get money. So that is what I will be, and get clients, and so that is what I will be facing in this particular. I'll be showing us how we can promote ourselves, after which I'll show us where we can go and hire people for this service. And we are not going to hire any other people, we are going to hire people that has quality, and I'll show you how to determine people that have quality. So the first thing you do as a job servicer is, you first of all, you have to create avenue in which you can get your clients. So how do you work with these avenues in which you can get your clients? So first of all, I would say you should create a kind of audience base. But creating an audience base does not mean you have to have 1 million people or 2,000 people. Have a playlist where you know you can target people and actually get those audience that you need in order to handle your services. So places like Twitter, there are ways you can promote yourself on Twitter, there are ways you can promote yourself on Instagram, there are ways you can promote yourself on Facebook in order for you to get going. So these are ways I'll be showing us right now. So when we come to job servicing, there are a lot of things we need to do as a job service. When it comes to job servicing, there are a lot of things you need to do. So okay, first of all, show us how we promote ourselves. First thing we do in promoting ourselves is we try one of those systems. So which of them will I be looking at is Facebook. So when it comes to Facebook, just for you to go to facebook.com, and when you're on Facebook, the next thing you need to do when you're on Facebook, so Facebook is loading right now, The next thing you need to do when you're on Facebook is for you to look for how I call it Facebook group. So you go to Facebook groups, so you click on search. In Facebook we look for, okay, let's look for logo design. So click on logo designs. So go to groups. When I logo designs, now you see different logo design. So we join these groups. You can join this group. Join this group. See 86k, 86k, 100, and join again 125 key members. When you join this group, you're going to see different posts. You can see different posts in this group. You can see looking for people to help me create cool and unique logo brand design for my leisure and gym clothing I'm wanting to create for men and women. See people already contacting. So you can just somebody said he said inbox please. So you can see what you just do here. You just go to this person's profile, you can see message, and you click you click on the message on the link there. You see to load up the person's it's going to load up the person's page. Yes, it's going to load up the person's page, so you can message this person. And so when you try to load the message, this person comes here and tell you, and you write anything on the line, you can just say, okay, hi there, I got your contact from here. So like that, you message this person. You see only this one now can be a good lead. And so how do you get, and you send those people links to your portfolio. So how you get your portfolio? So you can go to Fiverr. This is a little trick I'm giving us on portfolio getting. You can go to Fiverr. So when you go to Fiverr, you go to Fiverr, and like, let's do it, what I will do here. I'll go to fiverr.com in order to get portfolios. So when I get to Fiverr, I will go as a buyer. So there's where I can post requests. Yes, see what they're saying. Okay, say get offers from sellers. So I click on post request. So now this post request, and I can say hello dear, I am looking for you can say hello dear, I am looking for good logo designers. Can you kindly drop link to your portfolios? So you are going to put a price. Sorry, this will kindly drop link to your portfolio. Sorry, I made a mistake there. To your portfolio. So you can easily just select the category, fill everything, and just send submit requests. So now people will start contacting with their portfolio. So once you get that their portfolio, so you take this portfolio, that is what you now start sending out to these clients as your own portfolio. That's what you start sending to these clients as your own portfolio, and it's very, very easy. When it comes here, you say I need a logo designer, please do it now and send me your logo. I will pick one person. So you can see this one gave something like what he needs, so you can just hire this one too. So you continue like that. So here it's a minimalist logo designer needed, Fiverr level 2 seller. Just I don't know the language this one is saying here. So I just see it. So you find a lot of them here. So here he said we want to hire a designer for our company, contractor job. Inbox with your design sample, banner design, or Facebook ads. Thank you. So you can see only here now you're getting different job over. You can start messages. The student, like I said, I need an FR logo designer. Inbox me with your portfolio links. So you can see different places you can get. So once you get these jobs now for these people, now the next thing you need to do, you come to this the same Fiverr again. So what you need to do in this Fiverr when it comes to this Fiverr is very easy. You come to Fiverr. So you come to Fiverr. So when you come to Fiverr, imagine we've already gotten the client. So come here and click on logo design. So again, on local design. So now we look for sellers with okay, say logo design for $30, and a good Joshua logo design most times they charge from $100 to $150 upward. So and here we can just hire somebody that we can, okay, you are say $10. Okay, I'll come here. This one is a level 2 seller, you can see. So and has plenty reviews. So and this person does it says simple logo, message me first, text, and okay, with 3 simple colors marks. So you can see, you can take this logo design, $10, continue and contact the person. This person is going to and do your job, and it will be worth for $10. And imagine you are doing a job for $10 and you already have like you are charging someone, a client, $100. So $19 is your own profit there. So you can see how sweet and easy this particular business is. So it's your own business. So I love this job serving very well, because it's a lazy man way of making money, which I think. So you can see just now you just pocket $19 without doing anything. Go out there, go to Instagram, you see pages of on people that will need logo designs. Message those people. You don't need to message them directly, you can just message them on their comments and the rest. So from there you are good to go. So that is that for that, and I hope you understand this. If you know you don't understand anything, my comment section is open for you to ask any question you don't know. Ask any question to anything you don't know. So I'll be there to answer you very well. Like I'll be active this period answering my subscribers or my viewers any question there. I'm going to answer them. So thank you for watching this simple tutorial, and next I'm going to come with the part 2 of the job servicing. So I just hope you stay tuned and wait for it. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Thank you very much.
Hope you learned a lot from this video, and if you truly learned a lot from this video, can you click on the like button so that YouTube algorithm is going to share this video to a lot of persons. And also, if you are joining us for the first time, if you don't subscribe to my channel, can you click on the subscribe button, also click on the notification button so you get notified anytime I release awesome videos like this. So with that being said, see you in my next video.